Hey family, how you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Vicky here. I trust you all are doing great. So it's about that time of the year when the weather is either too hot, it's either the Hamatan or the winter. So it's advisable for you to stay hydrated and boost your immunity. So for that reason, I'm going to show you how I make this amazing watermelon juice. So to begin, as you can see, I'm already presenting my fresh red watermelons. These are very ripe watermelons. So to get the juiciest watermelons, you need to go for the very ripe ones. And we won't be adding sugar to this juice, so we need to get the very ripe ones so that our juice will come out very juicy and very sweet. So just for the nutritional facts, watermelons are rich in amino acids and also rich in vitamin C and a couple of other vitamins. Watermelons are made of a high concentration of water, and that's the reason why when you take more watermelon in the day, you are going to stay hydrated. So basically, after cutting my watermelon into smaller sizes, I'm also going to chop them so that they can fit the slice of my blender blade. So what I'm doing, I'm just reducing them into tinier bits. So at this point, I'm feeling like a fruit ninja. Okay guys, if you're enjoying this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel because I make amazing content regarding nutrition, wellness, and food. So if you subscribe to this channel, you'll be amongst the first persons to be notified whenever I make this valuable content. So finally, I'm just going to add some more flavor to my watermelon juice by finalizing my chopping and adding my apple. So I'm just using one apple just to add a little apple flavor to the juice. It's not compulsory. So once I'm done chopping up all my veggies, I'm just going to switch on my blender and begin the blending process. So this is just the first batch of the watermelon which I have diced. So I'm just going to blend that quickly, and I'm going to blend the other batches of camera just because I have quite a lot of watermelon. I won't include that in the whole video, so this video won't be too lengthy. So that's the watermelon juice, and I'm just going to strain it. I'll use my strainer, and then I'll just strain it and take out the big any lumps, any residue from the watermelon basically. So once that is done, I'm going to get my clean juice containers, get a funnel, and I'm going to pour that in. So the reason why I like watermelon juice is the fact that I don't take a lot of water like that, but as long as I have my watermelon juice, I continue to stay hydrated in the day, and I enjoy the juice a lot. It helps me to stay away from carbonated drinks, fizzy drinks like Coke, Fanta, and the rest of them. So this is just the best drink you can have in this season. So that's done, and I'm going to pop that into my freezer and let it chill. So guys, on to my serving. I'm just going to get 2 glasses, and you can use any glasses or jars of your choice. That's just to show you how I serve them. So once I've placed the glasses, I'm just going to add ice cubes. So after adding some ice cubes, I add cucumbers. You can add strawberries. You can add whatever kind of fruit you like to garnish. You know, I love garnishing my food so that it will look nice and presentable. So once that is done, I'm just going to pour in my watermelon juice. So this juice looks really red and it's also very nutritious. It's good for anyone. It's also good for children. It's my go-to juice anytime. So having poured them into the glasses, I'm just going to pop some watermelon into it and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. That's it for this video. Until my next one. Take care. Bye.